Hello friends, welcome to Pixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications.
Hello friends, this is a 40-inch Impex LED TV. These are the old strips that are faulty, so we installed 3 new LED strips instead of the old one. Since the original LED strip is not available, we are using this compatible LED strip. These are the old LED strip, but here you can see a small difference in the position of the LED. Here we already installed 3 new LED strips. It's a compatible one since the original LED strip is not available. Because of that, we need to make a small cut in the sheet for making holes of the reflectors. Here you can see we cutted some portion of the reflector sheet.
Now we fitted the new LED strips by cutting down the sheet to make the holes to make the LED strips fit perfectly. We done a small cut on the reflector sheet. You can see now the 3 new LED strips of a 40-inch LED TV is fixed completely. Now let's screw the cover and let's put the diffuser sheets and the panel back to the TV. It's a 40-inch Android Impex LED TV. You can see it's an Android TV. Here the panel is AUO panel. It's a 40-inch AUO panel. Here you can see the AUO panel in the TV. It's a Android motherboard. Here you can see this is a motherboard. Here you can see the motherboard model number. Now all sockets and panel LVDS cables are connected. Here you can see the TV model number. It's an Impex 40-inch LED TV. The model number is Titanium 40 Smart. Now we put the back to the TV and screwed it. Now everything is done. Here you can see now the TV is booting. It's a 14-inch Android smart TV. See, the backlight is okay and it's perfectly working. The final step after changing the backlight is to reduce the backlight voltage. In Android LED TVs, we don't need to enter into the service mode for setting the backlight. We can directly go to adjust the backlight from the picture menu settings. For that, take menu options. In Android smart TVs, there is no need to enter into service mode for adjusting backlight. For adjusting backlight, go to settings, picture settings. In picture settings, you can see the option to adjust the backlight. We need to set the backlight value a minimum of 40% to a maximum of 60% for the long life of the backlight. You can see from the range of 100th value we need to reduce it into keep in minimum 40 to maximum 60%. We need to maintain. Now the TV is working perfect. Thanks for watching.